When something new and innovative is created, the inventor has the right to protect it. To boost innovative thinking and support research in various domains, recognition and economic benefits to the creator is a must. To ensure this, intellectual property rights, or in short IPR, are the rights given to persons over the creation of their mind. These include inventions, literary and artistic works, symbols, names and images used in commerce to give the creator an exclusive right over the use of his or her creation for a certain period of time. These rights are outlined in Article 27 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which provide for the right to benefit from the protection of moral and material interests resulting from authorship of scientific, literary or artistic productions. Further, intellectual property rights are divided into two main areas. Firstly, copyright and rights related to copyright. Under this, rights of authors of literary and artistic works are protected by copyright for a minimum period of 50 years after the death of the author. The second set of rights, which are related to industrial property, are ensured in two segments. Protection of distinctive signs, in particular trademarks and geographical indications, and industrial design and trade secrets protected by patents. Why do we need IPR? Well, IPR is significant to encourage innovation, economic growth, safeguard the rights of creators. It ensures ease of doing business and facilitates the transfer of technology. India is a member of the World Intellectual Property Organization and is part of several WIPO-administered international treaties and conventions relating to IPRs. In India, the National Intellectual Property Rights IPR Policy 2016 was adopted in May 2016 as a vision document to guide the future development of IPRs in the country. The National IPR Policy ensures IPR awareness, outreach and promotion, human capital development, achievements under new IPR policy, improving in GII rankings, in strengthening of institutional mechanism and increase in patent and trademark filings. In fact, India has recorded 572% growth in the grant of patents in the last 7 years and an improvement in rankings of Global Innovation Index to 48 in 2020 from 81 in 2015 to 16. The National IPR Policy calls for Creative India, Innovative India. Minister of Commerce and Industry recently said that powered by intellectual property, India can be the innovation powerhouse of the world, while we must aim to make India the design hub of the world. In fact, every year National Intellectual Property Awards are conferred by the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade to recognize and reward individuals, institutions, organizations, enterprises, police units and other legal entities for IP creation, commercialization and enforcement. This has contributed towards strengthening of IP ecosystem in the country and encouraging creativity and innovation. Thank you for watching and don't miss out on protecting the intellectual rights of a creator's mind.